Okay, I guess I'm recording now. So if I'm recording now, does that mean that we're like really recording? Okay, YouTube, I have like this song that it's called Every Day of Your Life, and you know, it's I kind of thought about it because I miss my mom, so, and she had just passed away January 22nd, 2012. 9:30 at night. So I guess what I'm trying to say is I miss her, so I came up with this song. And do you know all these videos you can really see how your face look up the camera, and mine feels dry, but it looks dry. Give me a second, I'll be right back. How do you fix this? Look at all these dry spots, you guys. See, I'm in Vegas again. And when I was in Cali, did my face look like this all dry? No, it didn't. I'll be right back. There's no such thing as lotion in this house. I can throw over here somewhere. I'll put it here. Snoring away. Snoring away. Actually, I'm gonna cipher off the last little bit of my freaking vitamin E vitamins. And you guys heard my sister snoring in the background, but I'm back now. And I'm much better in the face, even though my eye goes over there, but still, I'm much better in the face because, you know, and yeah, I'm pretty. So what? I still would rather look shiny than have like dry patches. And I'm actually catching a cold because of the air that is on constantly in the house. On some real shit.